F-Insas is India's program to equip its infantry with state-of-the-art equipment. F-Insas means Future Infantry Soldier as a System. However, Indian Army has decided to drop the F-Insas program in favor of two separate projects. The new program will have two components, one arming the modern infantry soldier with the best available assault rifle, carbines and personal equipment such as the helmet and bulletproof vests, and the second component is the battlefield management systems. The F-Insas program, F-Insas has been taken up to equip Indian infantry with advanced weaponry, communication network and instant access to information on the battlefield. This program is similar to the future soldier programs of other nations. F-Insas includes a fully networked all-terrain, all-weather personal equipment platform, enhanced firepower and mobility for the digitalized battlefield of the future. The weight carried by soldiers will need to be reduced by at least 50%. The fully integrated infantry of tomorrow will be equipped with mission-oriented equipment integrated with his buddy soldier team, the sub-unit, as also the overall C4ISTAR represents C4 and ISTAR system. Timeline: in the first phase, to be completed by 2015, the infantry soldier will be equipped with a modular weapon system that will have multi-functions. The Indian Army intends to modernize its entire 465 infantry and paramilitary battalions by 2020 with this program. F-Insas equipment: the intention is to equip the soldier to ensure a dramatic increase in his lethality, survivability and mobility while making the soldier a self-contained fighting machine. Core systems: helmet and visor the Level 4 bulletproof helmet capable of stopping a 9mm round at close range, facial protection, ballistic and laser eye protection and flame-resistant iron face protection. Contains a mounted flashlight, thermal sensors, an advanced night vision capability devices, a digital compass, shoulder video cameras, a computer, nuclear, biological and chemical sensors, and an audio headset. The visor is intended to be integrated and to act as a heads-up display monitor equivalent to two 17-inch computer monitors. Clothing: the personal clothing of the soldier of the future would be lightweight with a Level 4 bulletproof jacket. The jacket would be non-flammable, waterproofed yet breathable. The new attire will enable him to carry extra loads and resist the impact of nuclear, radiological, chemical and biological warfare. The uniform will also carry solar elements for charging a palm-top computers and other attached electronic equipment. It will contain external and oxygen supply and respirator to provide protection against gas and smoke, and will include fireproof knee and elbow pads and hand gloves and ballistic and laser eye protection goggles. A bulletproof, armored waistcoat including flexible ballistic, hard ballistic, ceramic armor plates covering the front, back and groin, and an armored, electronic jacket with a load-bearing system will also be included. The electronic jacket integrates the electronics, cables, connector, camouflaging system, wearable environmental control and a microclimate heating and cooling system. A flexible water bottle, magazines, grenades and other equipment holders and pockets optimizes weight distribution on the soldier. The new uniform will have vests with sensors to monitor the soldier's health parameters and provide quick medical relief. He might also wear flame-resistant, moisture-defeating undergarments. Flame-resistant hand, face, and foot protection and a pair of non-skid shoes with mine and explosive detection sensors would complete the ensemble. System includes inbuilt water purifier system so they have purified drinking water. Weapons: the weapons subsystem is built around a multi-caliber individual weapon system with the fourth caliber attached to a grenade launcher. These include a 5.56mm, a 7.62mm and a new 6.8mm under development for the first time in India. The UBGL will be capable of firing air-bursting grenades. The subsystem includes a thermal weapons sight and laser rangefinder to provide the soldier with range and direction information. The GPS location information will allow the soldier to call for indirect fire accurately. There are two types of next-generation infantry rifle under development in cooperation with Israel. In this context, news sources report that the Indian MOD has recently issued a global tender for the acquisition of a new assault rifle and a close-quarter battle carbine. In DEF Expo 2014, a prototype of the ARDEDRDOMCIWS was showcased. It is lighter than the existing INSAS rifles in the Indian Armed Forces, weighing only 3 kilograms. It features an UBGL as well as thermal sights or plain holographic sights and red dot sights. Laser target. It has multiple Picatinny rails to facilitate various add-on equipments needed for various missions and thus improving versatility. And many other terrain, operation and mission-based weapons as per requirement. Accessories. The soldier will be equipped with a USB 2.0 digital data bus, palm-top GPS navigation device, secured advanced audio communication set, advanced electronic warfare data manager, secured network connection where each radio can subscribe to 2 networks simultaneously. This offers the squad leader some flexibility in organizing communication networks in his section. Each network has an audio conference channel, with priority given to the squad leader, an alert channel from the infantryman to his leader, and a data transmission channel. Voice and data transmissions are based on tried and tested civilian technology. Each sub-network works from a base carried by the squad leader. As RIF sets are all identical, a soldier can replace his commander if necessary by configuring his set as base. The radio is configured by the computer, thereby limiting the number of control buttons needed on the set. The soldier might be able to communicate with other soldiers and locate or generate maps to find his location, and he will be aware of the situation on the battlefield. The palm top will inform soldiers where other friendly forces are in relation to them. It will also enable them to transfer messages. Terrain equipment for various specific missions will also be carried. Integrated multifunction sight device. Night vision equipment, thermal imager, a laser rangefinder, color charge coupled device camera, global positioning system and a digital magnetic compass, compact laser-based instruments, integrated electro-optical surveillance and fire control systems, advanced GPS receivers, infrared sensors, thermal sensors, electro-optical sensors, spectroscopic sensors, electromagnetic and radio frequency sensors and many other sensors, radars and jammers would also be carried. Procurements for program. Procurement requests for the open caliber carbine valued at around to the first 44 billion have been initiated with global manufacturers. The procurement covers night vision devices, laser designators and detachable underbarrel grenade launchers. Indigenization of program, with the intent to retain its strategic autonomy, self-reliance and indigenization of the program is being emphasized. Most of the equipment is being locally developed by the Defense Research and Development Organization and the Ordnance Factories Board as the prime developer and the system integrator respectively. Design and development of a multi-caliber individual weapon system. Design and development of an air-bursting grenade for individual weapons. Program termination. In January 2015, it was reported that Indian Army has terminated the F-Insas program. Indian Army has decided to break up the Future Soldier program into 2 parts. The new program will have 2 components, one arming the modern infantry soldier with the best available assault rifle, carbines and personal equipment such as the helmet and bulletproof vests, and the second component is the battlefield management systems. The assault weapon field trials were already going on. There are 4 kinds: Beretta ARX-160, Colt CM901, CZ805 Bren and Galil ACE. The TAVR-21 was never actually part of the assault rifle trials as reported because the Indian Army felt that they should induct a standard rifle design and not a bullpup rifle. However, it has already been chosen for Indian Special Forces. On June 2015, the Army have sent a letter to the suppliers that the carbine contract has been retracted. Vice Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Philip Campos, has said there is no F-Insas program anymore. See also, Future Soldier, Indian Army, DRDO. Notes. External links, http www.Reltoc and Portfolio Digital Soldier Systems HTML, Jane's Defense Weekly confirms F-Insas, video of F-Insas soldier and explanation of various systems, President Callum's visions for a high-tech soldier, future infantry, unraveling the Indian Army's F-Insas program on army-technology.com.